Okay, let's see. Autumn Leaves from TESS. We've done this song before, so that's the wrong song. This is the one with the ambient stuff.
Vois, je n'ai pas oublié.
I wonder how this sounds. I never heard it myself, so I have to. I might play it again, and then I'm gonna sit where you're sitting right now. There you go. Autumn Leaves.
Oh, je voudrais tant que tu te souviennes des jours heureux où nous étions amis. En ce temps-là, la vie était plus belle et le soleil plus brûlant qu'aujourd'hui. Les feuilles mortes se ramassent à la pelle. Tu vois, je n'ai pas oublié. Les feuilles mortes se ramassent à la pelle. Les souvenirs et les regrets aussi. The falling leaves drift by my window. The falling leaves of red and gold. I see your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hands I used to hold. Mais la vie sépare ceux qui s'aiment tout doucement, sans faire de bruit. Et la mer efface sur le sable les pas des amants désunis. C'est une chanson qui nous ressemble. Toi tu m'aimais et je t'aimais et nous vivions tous deux ensemble. Toi qui m'aimais, moi qui t'aimais. Since you went away, the days grow long, and soon I hear a winter song. But I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves start to fall et la mer efface sur le sable les pas des amants désunis.
Ambient is so nice. I mean, here it is. Reminds me of recording for films and television and such, but you always have to make an ambient track to well, match the scene that you just shot, which is really nice. When you hear it back, it's like, whoa, I didn't even know there was so much low end. Because if you hear it, this is not what you hear normally, but because it's way exaggerated. But anyhow, nice. I wonder how it sounds on the video, which is probably kind of different. Is this new? Why are you standing on my table all the time? You were never standing on my table. Now you do. Why, Poos? Why? Some attention. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll do natural fade. See you later.